about footwear and philosophy from our next guest, Dawn. She was a Vulcan in Star Trek Enterprise. She's been cast recently as the Sister of the Dark. What does it mean? Second season of Legend of the Seeker, which airs right here. Here's Jolene Blalock. Nice to see you.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so should we talk about the footwear first or your inscribed life philosophy?
Well, life philosophy is probably more important than shoes, but the shoes look better.
Okay.
They're talking about your tattoo on your inner arm. What does it mean?
Well, it's just divine madness, and it's sort of my philosophy of life. It's life is crazy, but you know, there's a higher plan. So it's divine.
So when you were standing in the rain, in the cold, in New Zealand, doing Legend of the Seeker, were you thinking, well, there's a plan?
Yeah.
No, that's where the madness came.
Yeah. The plan is getting the shots.
Do you have a lot of tattoos, by the way? Or is that
I
the only one?
only have the two. I have the Eye of Ra, the Masonic Eye of Ra on my back. Ooh. Yeah.
People probably don't think about, we were talking about off camera, how cold it was while you were shooting. Sam alluded to it now. People think New Zealand and they think beaches, but you weren't there for beach weather.
Well, the seasons flip-flop.
They surely do.
Yeah, so it was rainy season, and it rained. So literally people were standing off camera, running in with umbrellas and puffer coats, and I mean it was.
Is it hard to focus to do your job when it's like that?
I think it actually makes you focus more intensely because it's like, let's get this. Let's get this now. Let's not, you know, do it.
You draw from your inner, your inner zen
This
in a
is
moment like that.
Perfect right now.
Are you a sci-fi fantasy fan?
I'm a complete geek. You know, when I grew up, I grew up on the original Star Trek. Spock, my favorite character.
You were hot for Spock.
Oh, yeah. Totally guilty. I know. And then, you know, when I was in 6th grade, I would come home for a year straight, and I would put on the Star Wars trilogy back to back.
Ooh, wow.
That's commitment. You have to do something in 6th grade.
Now, there goes, though, thus the plan of divine madness, because there was a higher power. Now, guess what? You, the geek who loves it so much, are in a show where there's some other girl probably sitting at home going, hey.
That's kind of cool. I get to live it out.
Yeah, Mark just sort of brought a whole circle of life thing here.
Nice.
Yes, brand new Legend of the Seeker. Take a look.
I'm done.
Are the prelate's powers of persuasion so compelling that even the seeker of truth will succumb to her manipulations?
How do I know she's the one manipulating me?
All she had to do was turn one word from light to dark and claim there's a conspiracy against her. And you believed her? And you stopped believing in yourself.
I believe in myself, Nikki. It's you I'm not sure about.
I risked my life for you.
See, the guys never get it.
Every woman
I
makes.
know. You're like, hello. And he goes, he's just not getting it, but a very good costume, too. I like that look. It's like a gypsy.
Yeah, with the veil, and, well, there's a veil in the back. Yeah, but she's not that dark.
We represent the characterization. We should tell you, if you'd roll the prompter, that Legend of the Seeker airs here on Channel 5, Sundays at 4. Nice to see you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you very much.
We didn't get to the shoes.
We didn't get the shoes.
Louboutins.
There we go. There's
J-Lo
the
and her
Louboutins.
Louboutins.
All right, let's go over to Frank.